Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, guys, let's talk about one of the common questions about applying a visa. Let's do this. The scenario is this. We are planning to apply a K1 visa. Do we need to hire a lawyer or an agency? Which one would you recommend? Based on my research, guys, hiring a lawyer or agency will cost you from $300 to $3,000 per person. If your case is not complicated, I would suggest you consider doing a DIY or do it yourself first. Get a list of all requirements and try to finish them in a month. Sometimes it's easier and it's better to do the DIY because you would be hands-on on your case. Plus, it saves a lot of dollar. Alright? So what if we're both busy? We really need to hire an agency or a lawyer. Would you recommend one? In our case, we did not hire any lawyer or pay an agency. We are a DIY visa filer because lawyers are expensive and sometimes complicated. And in fact, it won't even expedite the process. Even if you hire them, it won't let you get faster than others. But if really it's necessary for you to hire an agency or a lawyer, you might as well look for an agency instead of a lawyer, like Rapid Visa, Filipino Visa, Harmony, and more. There are lots of agencies handling immigration processes. You can check their official website and make inquiries, then decide which one would you want to hire. To conclude, there are tons of resources you can find online to help you on your visa processes. There are Facebook groups, YouTube videos like this, blogs where you can find useful information that can guide you through the application process and boost your chances of success. You can comment down your questions if you have any, and I will try my best to answer it for you. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you all in my next videos.